So you might be in a position on TikTok where for some reason your liked videos are just not showing up. So what does this mean? Well, essentially, if you go and make your way over to your profile like here, if you go and click on your little liked icon right there, you might see that some of your videos that are showing up here, or maybe all your videos, are missing. So the first thing you want to do in this specific case is to literally exit out of TikTok, so swipe out of this application, let it sit there for a couple of seconds, and then open up TikTok again, make your way over to your profile, and you should be able to see your liked videos again. Sometimes it's a literally random, I don't know why this kind of stuff happens, but basically that's all you'll have to do is hop out of TikTok, close the application, and go back into it, and that may end up fixing the situation. Now, if that doesn't fix the situation, another thing you may want to do is to make your way over to your App Store. So make your way over to your App Store like this, and you want to go and search for the TikTok application. So for us, it's literally right here, and all we want to do here is update our TikTok app. If our TikTok application is severely outdated, meaning like you haven't updated this app in like years, or at least like weeks or months, well, there may have already been a bug fix out there for you, and you may have not even updated it to it because you didn't know about it. So what you want to do is you want to go and update your TikTok application, and that might end up fixing the situation as well. Now, if that still doesn't fix it after updating the application and there was an update for it, you can try restarting your phone, you can try deleting the TikTok application and reinstalling it, or what you can do is you can make your way over to a website like downdetector.com. This is one of the websites I use all the time. And what you want to do here is you want to go and see if TikTok is on this webpage. If it's not on the top like one or two, then it's probably not having an issue. But if you have to scroll down like this far, what you want to do is you want to find TikTok. Like I said, if it's not in the top three, then it's not down. But if it is here, then that basically means TikTok has an issue, and they're probably going to be working on a fix to fix that specific problem. So all you're going to have to do here is pretty much just wait until TikTok, has addressed the problem. You can check their, TikTok support page as well on Twitter, and they should be giving out updates on exactly when that's going to be fixed. So those are a few different ways to fix it for the most part. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.